ha, hey, hey, ha.
Ooh, ha, hey, ha.
Ooh, ha, hey, hey, ha.
Ooh, ha, hey, ha.
When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, white rain.
হাততালি হবে
Rehan, the battle lost and all. That will be the set of sun.
Where is the place?
Upon the hills. There to meet with Macbeth.
Macbeth, Macbeth.
Macbeth.
Fair is foul and foul is fair. However to the forward 50 years.
দাও চশমা খুল। এখানে পকেট আছে
Help!
Malcolm, who's that bloody man?
This is a surgeon, like a goat and hearty soldier, fought against my captivity. Help him!
Help, Captain, help! Macbeth, holy Isabella, that the name he paid. Billion by Captain, that the name he paid. Help, bread, don't be and be dead. Answer from.
নাইফ নাইফ
Well, it does not worth the gentleman. So what will die? What could be?
ওদিকে যা
If they want a smack off on a boat and go get him, Sergeant. Yes, my lord!
যা তাদের ওই পারে কোন দিকে গেছি রে এখনই সঙ্গে চালু হবে You did it, Banco. You did it this time. So fall and fair a day I have not seen.
Fowler, still the day goes on, Macbeth. What a this? So we don't answer wild and tired.
Oh, hail Macbeth! Oh, hail Macbeth! Oh, hail Macbeth! One day you shall be the king!
If you can look into the seeds of time, which grain will grow, which not, then speak to me. Otherwise my life shall be.
Hail! Hail!
Hail. Not so happy, yet much happier.
Listen to the Macbeth and theater.
You shall be the father of the king one day, Nandovinan. Oh, hail Macbeth and Banco! Oh, hail Macbeth and Banco! Oh, hail Macbeth and Banco! Oh, hail Macbeth and Banco!
Children shall be the king, or you shall be.
You shall be the king.
Then let's change towards the king.
Oh, soldier.
Oh, my dear Macbeth, I got a letter from you. One day you shall be the king. You're full of milk of human kindness. To catch the nearest way, I shall have to ask the yard.
Oh, my dearest love. Jenkins comes here tonight.
When does he leave?
Tomorrow.
Never shall come tomorrow, my lord. Your face is like a book. When married was this matter. Late, no one will see. But be the split hunter and leave all the rest to me.
We'll proceed no further in this business.
Would you like to leave crowd in your own?
I dare to be vain or not to be. That bring beside to me.
If you are mad,
The The fall fast or the height must be. Then let's go.
Okay, Macbeth. Thank you. Let's go. Hey, कौन से पढ़ेंगे?
Oh, is the dagger towards my hand? Oh, is the dagger handle towards my hand? I'll go with the blood because I promised my queen and I shall be the king one day.
Hello. Move. Why did you brought this with you? Get a water and wash it.
Let me know what I did in the form of purpose.
In the form of purpose, give me this knife.
Let me know what I did in
I
the
said get
purpose.
water and wash it.
Go. Who killed my father? Who killed my father? Who is that? Let me know. Who is that bloody man?
What is the myth?
General of them. You real for the murder.
What? By whom?
Did you send our man? Did you get him?
What will you do now? Let us consult with them. I'll go to England.
I'll go to Ireland. We are separated fortune. Shall we keep us both the safe? We are 10,000 men. Ismail's and Aaron flood and bloody.
Not now, you guys.
And let us not be dirty of lip talking. So let's go.
Let's go. Yes, I go.
We'll take
Yeah.
Yes, side.
Though his dead, now the king Cutter Glemis, all the three witches and wizard promise, I place through most holy for.
What a dare, Banco. Hello. Tonight, we'll present a solemn supper.
I didn't know, my lord.
Banco was our true enemy.
True, my lord. I shall perform what you command, my lord. Yes!
Ah!
Hello.
Hello. The queen and the king and the king and
The king and the queen invites you in the royal banquet.
হাততালি দিবেন, হাততালি সবাই মিলে একবার হাততালি দেন। হ্যালো। What is this? What is this?
Hey, what happened?
Banco's ghost.
Hey, I speak not. I pray you, speak not. God's word. At last, I once. Thank you. Good night. A kind good night.
তানবির তোরা।
अरे who took my dal?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you all three witches! What? How dare you to appear in jail? Traffic with, and I am the master of your chains. Clothes converse of all, harms was never, and culture beyond the part of the glory of arts. What?
Bourbon, 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 for trouble like a head blood, queen and trouble.
What?
Hey you, what is this going on?
I command your parents that everyone should share. What did I do without any Macbeth? Of the 5 business is enough. What?
Hey, go.
Oh my God, what's this?
Hello.
অন্য মিউজিক কেন অন করছি? ঠিক আছে।
I guess what happened? What's happened, Macduff?
My children and my wife killed too.
Oh no, I was so sad.
As a blackboard country, Franny Elegance, Court of Help, can't come out is damned.
Evil sons record. Like then, on this the variation of the sword. Like grief, convert out of pain, that's not the heart. And rise it, come close it again. So let's go.
Let's go.
Hello.
হাততালি হবে, হাততালি।
আমি জাহিরা ভাই।
Out, damn sport out. I say out. I say out. Damn sport out.
So much blood in my hand. So much blood in my hand. So much blood in my hand. Harm. So bad. So bad. So bad. I was knocking to a door. I was knocking to a door. I was knocking to a door. I was knocking. I was knocking. I was knocking. So bad. So bad. So bad.
This disease is beyond my practice. More needs he than the physician. God, forgive all, look after our God. God, forgive us, God.
Hey, give me my.
Major Macbeth, the queen is dead. What? The queen is dead? What are you saying? The queen is dead. It is tale by and three idiots who killed my queen. I will fight. I will fight with my blood. But there are 10,000, sir. How could we fight? I will fight. I will fight with my flesh react. Give me my armor.
And now I need it.
I have given it.
Not now.
Hail, King of Scotland! Hail, King of Scotland! Behold, where they stand, the observer cast their heads.
So, and the tale of this dead butcher and his friend, like queen, were this thought. Myself and rolling hands took off our life. And what needful else that called upon us, but the glance of glance by affirming measured time. So please, thanks to all at once and to each one who see invite us to see the granite gone.
So hail, King of Scotland! Hail, King of Scotland!
Congratulations!